guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into all things motorcycles and trikes that get your heart racing. Today, I've got something absolutely insane to share with you. The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike reveal. Oh man, this thing is a futuristic luxury beast that's set to dominate the roads. Honda's taken their legendary Goldwing and turned it into a three-wheeled monster that's stable, stylish, and ready for anything. Let's jump right in and talk about why this trike is going to change the game. First off, picture this. You're staring at the front of this beauty, and it's got that aggressive, futuristic face that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. The deep maroon-red paint job glows under the lights, with glossy finishes that make it look like it's ready to hit the road. Those LED headlights are super sharp, stretching across the wide front end like eagle eyes. And they've got this sleek, chrome grille and accents that scream luxury. The trike setup adds two rear wheels for that extra stability, so no more worrying about tipping on tight turns or uneven roads. It's planted like a rock. From the side, you see the aerodynamic lines, flowing back, with massive fenders hugging those tires, and the whole body has this muscular yet elegant vibe. It's longer and wider than a standard bike, giving it presence that turns heads everywhere. And the rear? Dual exhaust pipes in chrome, a big trunk that's perfect for gear, and taillights that light up bright for safety. Honda's nailed the design. Here, it's modern, with subtle nods to the Goldwing's 50-year heritage, like special badging that says, "Since 1975. If you're into customizing, imagine adding some Viking chrome accessories for that extra bling. This trike doesn't just look good, it feels premium, like you're rolling in a high-end sports car on three wheels. Now let's talk about what makes this thing move. Because under the hood, or should I say, under the fairing, it's packing some serious punch. The heart of the 2026 Goldwing Trike is that iconic 1833cc horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine. Yeah, the flat six that's been refined over decades for buttery smooth power. It pumps out around 126 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 125 pound-feet. Of torques at 4,500 RPM, which means instant acceleration when you twist the throttle. Whether you're merging onto the freeway or passing slower traffic, it pulls strong without any vibration. It's like gliding on air. Honda's paired it with their 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, or DCT, which shifts automatically or lets you go manual if you want that hands-on feel. And, get this, there's a walking mode for low-speed maneuvers, like backing out of a parking spot, which is a lifesaver on a trike this size. Performance-wise, it tops out at about 140 miles per hour. But honestly, it's built for cruising at 70-80 mph all day long. The trike conversion adds independent rear suspension, so handling is spot on. Corners feel confident, and bumps. What bumps? It's got electronic combined ABS brakes with massive rotors up front and back, stopping this beast quickly and safely. If you're worried about fuel, don't be. It sips gas at around 40 miles per gallon on the highway, giving you a solid range of over 200 miles on a 5.5-gallon tank. Fill up less, ride more. That's the dream, right? But wait. The real magic is in the features that make every ride feel like a vacation. Honda's loaded this trike with tech that's straight up futuristic. The dashboard is a huge 7-inch full-color TFT screen that's bright and easy to read, even in sunlight. It integrates wirelessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can pull up your maps, blast your playlists, or take calls without fumbling with your phone. The premium audio system has upgraded speakers that pump out crystal-clear sound, perfect for jamming to your favorite tunes on long hauls. Safety's on point too. There's Honda selectable torque control to keep the rear wheels from slipping in rain or gravel, hill start assist so you don't roll back on inclines, and even an optional airbag in the Tour model for that extra peace of mind. Comfort? Oh, it's next level. The seats are plush leather, heated for those chilly mornings, with an adjustable backrest for your passenger. The electric windshield adjusts up and down to block wind or let in a breeze. And there's tons of storage. A 61-liter trunk, big enough for 2 helmets, plus saddlebags on the sides for all your road trip essentials. Imagine loading up for a cross-country adventure. Your gear's secure, and you've got reverse gear to make parking a breeze. For the trike specifics, the 3-wheel setup means no leaning required, which is awesome for beginners or folks who want less physical effort. But it still handles like a dream for us seasoned riders. Inside, it's like your own personal cockpit. The grips are heated. The controls are intuitive with buttons right at your fingertips for everything from cruise control to audio volume. The digital gauges show speed, RPM, fuel, and even navigation turns without taking your eyes off the road. And for those long rides, the suspension soaks up everything. Double wishbone front and Pro-Link rear keep it smooth, even loaded with a passenger and luggage. Weighing in at about 900 pounds curb weight, it's hefty but balanced, so it feels stable at any speed. Honda's thought of everything to make you feel pampered, like integrated Bluetooth for your helmet comms or the smart key system that lets you start it without digging in your pockets. All right, let's get to the nitty-gritty. How much is this luxury beast gonna set you back? The 2026 Goldwing Trike starts at around $35,000 for the base model. But if you go for the Tour DCT with all the bells and whistles, like the airbag and premium colors, it climbs to about $48,000. That's not cheap, but for what you get, totally worth it if touring is your thing. Expect it to hit dealerships in early 2026, just in time for spring rides. Honda's offering some 50th anniversary editions with exclusive graphics and memorabilia, like a commemorative book and model. Super cool collector's items. Man, I could talk about this trike all day. It's the kind of machine that makes you want to hit the road and never look back. Whether you're a solo adventurer or bringing a buddy along, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike is gonna dominate with its blend of power, tech, and that unbeatable Honda reliability. What do you think? Would you take this beast on a coast-to-coast trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you're hyped, and subscribe for more reveals like this. Hit the bell so you don't miss out. Next up, we'll be testing some epic mods. Ride safe, guys, and I'll see you on the road!